Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we will learn how to calculate the percentile of a given number within an array using JavaScript. This technique is widely used in statistics and data analysis. Let's get started. This function allows us to determine where a number ranks within a dataset, making it useful for grading, performance tracking, and statistical analysis. This function filters the array to count values less than or equal to the given number, then divides by the total number of elements to calculate the percentile. This step-by-step process ensures an accurate percentile calculation by counting qualifying values, dividing, and converting to a percentage. This method ensures accurate percentile calculations for any dataset, making it reliable for rankings and performance metrics. This function is widely used in grading systems, performance tracking, and market analytics, where ranking data is essential. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to calculate the percentiles in JavaScript using simple array operations. Try applying this to your own datasets for insights. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.